NIMS University is a well-established institution known for its quality education, modern infrastructure and stronghold in practical learning. Hello everyone, my name is Anisha and I'm currently in my final year of Bachelors in Nutrition and Dietetics at NIMS University, Jaipur. Nutrition and Dietetics is a rapidly growing field that plays a crucial role in health and well-being. It requires both scientific knowledge and practical skills, and my journey at NIMS has provided me with a strong foundation in both. One of the best features of this department is our expert faculty. The faculty is extremely knowledgeable, approachable, and always ready to guide us. Additionally, the university provides excellent infrastructure, including well-equipped cooking and nutrition labs. These labs have provided me with hands-on experience in meal planning, food preparation, and nutritional analysis, thus bridging the gap between theory and practice. Additionally, NIMS offer a strong placement support, helping students secure internships and job opportunities in hospitals, research centers, and wellness industries. My time at NIMS has been truly rewarding, and I'm grateful for all the skills and knowledge that I have gained. If you are passionate about nutrition and want to build a successful career, NIMS University Jaipur is a great place to start. Thank you.